new lift at the multi-private hospital. Very nice. Can't tell if it's MRL or not. It's definitely a replacement, 100%. Yeah, I think it's MRL now. No, the labels are in door holes. These are the original lifts at multi-private hospital. Very fast. Green place as well. One of them's already done.
Level 5, link to Mater Hill car parks. Going down.
There's a new one. I think it might be going somewhere. Yeah. Exclusive server. I think that one's out. Yeah, that one's out of service. Only 2 of them. Only 3 of them are working. It says please use other call buttons, but I just rode that one before and it works. Pretty sure it's MRL now. Okay, got the same one again. Try and get voice clips.
Level 7, I see you.